Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Hringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Jubilant Lifesciences. Jubilant is the ticker name, and what you're watching is a monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart of Jubilant Lifesciences. And these are all the technical indicators that are deployed on the stock for technical analysis. And these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators related to the stock. Regarding technical analysis data, we have data since 2011 June onwards up to 2017 November 18th. Okay, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock was not doing that much great until February 2015, and after February 2015, it started moving in upward direction, making new highs every time. Actually, it is the first high, and this is the second high. This is a sideways movement. Okay, and this is the second high, and it reached its peak in April 2017, and that time the stock was trading at 878 rupees approximately. And after that, today the stock is trading at 677. Literally, it is like 200 rupees less than its peak price. And after April 2017, the stock is coming down, and you can clearly see that it is making new lows. This is new low 1. This is new low 2. Right? Okay. This is the trend it is following right now. So actually, if you look at the path pattern, there is at this moment the pattern is not freezed. Actually, it is not following any particular pattern. The stock is not following any particular pattern. It's like some external factor or something had made the stock move in the upward direction, and after that it is just going down. Looks like that. I mean, there is no particular pattern. There is no it is something like the stock kept on. If there is a huge potential in the stock, and the investors start realizing, I had already realized that there is a huge potential in the stock. Then the stock, then the investments keep happening, and because of which the stock keep on moving in the upward direction. That sort of thing is not happening. It is like a boom and bust kind of stuff. I mean, that sort of thing is right now. It is looking like that. So initially, I mean, in the first this thing look itself, I can say that this stock cannot be considered a long-term investment. But anyway, I will dig further and then we will finally conclude. Okay, now this stock had already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving averages, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode, which is good. But the relative strength of the stock is crashing down. Directional strength is crashing down. Stochastics is crashing down. But the price volume is constant. I'm keeping the crosshairs here. It is constant. No spikes. Okay, since to the December 2000, October 2016 onwards, there are no spikes in the price volume. Momentum had already crashed, and it is playing in the negative zone. And the balance of power is in bearish mode. And same thing, elder ray is also showing that the balance of power is in bearish mode, and it is in sync with the elder ray is in sync with the balance of power indicator right now. So it's very clear that the stock is going down. We exactly don't know. Technically, this is the thing. I mean, it looks like there are a few blips here and there. Like you are seeing in November, the stock. I mean, September, October, the stock went down, and in November, it reached. I mean, it's showing some profit to its investors. But I frankly think that this is a blip, because all the important parameters, all the critical parameters, what are all related to the stock, are all crashing down. So at this moment, I don't think that this kind of green candle thing, whatever it is showing, I don't think that that is going to long last for a while. So I think the stock will fall further down, and okay, that is my guess. So I'm thinking that it will come down. It will reach 600 somewhere near to 600 in the next few days. Let's see what happens. But I'm not going to recommend the stock for. I mean, I frankly think that the stock cannot be recommended for long-term investment. So that is the conclusion, guys. Okay, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.